might have gone and done something today. Got myself a air cushion machine. We're going to talk about that. We're going to unbox this thing and show you guys what I got today. Stay tuned. Alright folks, Steve Alcorn here with you once again. Air pillow machine. Or air cushion machine, whatever they want to call it. This up here is the film that I got with it. We'll open that second. We're going to go ahead and open this box. This is from Handy Distributing. That's where I got the film from and the machine from. This is their version of an air pillow machine. And I think it's called the Handy Pak Mini. We'll take a look. It'll be right in the title when I get to it. But we'll take a look and see what this thing is. I'm going to go ahead and slicer, dicer, get her open. I'm going to have to find a better place for it because it's going to take up my whole shipping table. This was $375. That's the reason I went with this one as opposed to the mini packer, which is a lot more money. About 3 times the amount. Really nicely packed. It comes with that. If you see me looking over that way, it's because my monitor is over there, but my camera's over here. Alright, so actually that's pretty nice right there. Nice, good cushioning. This thing came, today's Easter Sunday. I ordered this 2 days ago. It came, and it showed up on Easter Sunday, so we're packing in there. This is the type of things you can make with it. I didn't get the super tubes, but I think that's what those are. Those are pretty nice. You can see they're branded Handy. It's pretty cool. You can actually, I think, make this with the Pro version, though. But, I don't know. I didn't get the Pro version. I got the Handy Pak Mini is what I got. There's the instruction manual. Handy Pak Mini Air Cushion Machine Product Manual. Looks like, oh, it's in color. A lot of things in this thing. How to set it up, temperature settings, safety instructions. Yeah, it's in color, so that's pretty nice. Looks like a good little instruction manual. We've got a power cord. Looks like just your typical, like your computer type power cords. Desktop. This looks like belts, extra parts maybe, or maybe I gotta put these on, I don't know. We'll find out. So it's got Allen wrenches in there. It's got little tiny pieces in there. Yeah, I hope I don't have to do that, but we'll see. I think this is the bar that the roll goes on. So that's what that looks like. Nice heavy duty. This feels heavy. And the machine itself. Oh, there's more pieces in here. See? There's also, I think that's the lower bar. I've never used one of these, so I don't know how they work. As you can see, it's really nicely packed in here. And this is the machine itself. This is the Handy Pak Mini. Handy Distributing Inc. Comes out of New York State. So that's that. That is the unboxing portion. I've got a little arm there. Okay. It's all metal construction. This is plastic up here, but this is all metal here. This is where your film will go in. So we're going to open that next. And get to it. See what's in there. Alright. I demonstrate how to set this thing up and use it. So this is a 974 foot roll. It makes 4x6 air pillows, and this is just the invoice for me. He packed it with, that's probably the size of the pillows it makes. No, I think I got 4x6, so they're bigger. I didn't know how big to get. This is my first time ordering one of these, so that's what I got. So this is the film that goes on it. Looks fairly straightforward. Very nicely packed again. So why did I buy an air pillow machine, you may ask? Because I wanted to. I use a lot of air pillows. I usually get them from, you know, Amazon orders, or people give them to me and things like that. It's, air pillows, as you can see. So it says Handy Pak film. This also works with a mini packer. So I did not want a mini packer. Mini packer is like $1,700. This was $375. So I mean, it was a no-brainer for me. All right, folks, I'm going to turn you off for a few minutes, and I'm going to come back and figure out how to set this thing up. Folks, I'm back. It's not important that you see me. It's important that you see the machine. So I got you all zoomed in. This is the side of the machine that does all the work. So I'm going to walk you through how to set this thing up. I've already done it once just to be sure that I'm doing it correctly and that you guys can see what's going on. I don't want to mislead you. First of all, the instructions didn't say anything about this little bar. At least I can't find anything in there. But I do know where that bar goes, so we will put it in there here in a second. I'm just not seeing anywhere. Shows the bar, just doesn't show where it goes. However, this bar goes right next to the other bar. There's a bar here, and there's a little hole there, and it screws counterclockwise, actually. So you screw it backwards. It took me a few seconds to figure that one out, but that's what you do. Then if you want to tighten it down, there's a hole in it. There's a hole in all of these. You take an Allen wrench out of the little box they gave you and kind of give it a little snug. I wouldn't do it too tight. Make sure that one's good too. And that one looks like it screws in backwards as well. So there you go. And then, this is your spindle. This is what holds your film. This goes up here. It screws in the correct way. Now, there's a little hole right here, as you can see. And then these kind of stand out like that. This is how, when your film goes on, the film will catch onto that and hold the roll on. And this little hole will come in handy here in a second, and I'll show you what it's for. If you're considering getting one of these, the setup is really super easy. The instructions are a little different, but okay, see, now when you get to this point, it's just going to keep spinning because it's supposed to spin. So what the instructions say to do is take an Allen wrench and put it in that hole there, and you're going to want to spin it until you find there's a through hole that goes all the way through, and once you find that, of course I'm not finding it. There it is. Found it. What you got? We'll go from this side. All right. You just want to put it in there so it's all the way through, and then just tighten that thing up. Then you can pull it out, and that thing spins freely, just like it's supposed to. Next thing you do, it's over here, is take the film, and this is your film. You're going to want it, it looks like you want it to go, I guess it, yeah. You want it to go, let's see, there's a little channel in here, and I got to make sure I know where the channel is because I don't want to screw that up. You just want to put it on where the channel is closest to the inside. We forgot one step though. If you saw the machine was tipping, there's a little clip down here that screws out, and then you just tighten it up with this thumb screw. So that's it. Now it's not going to tip. It's nice and good. Put the film on, and it looks like the words face that way. So instead of them being around facing this way, then you take this film here, and yeah, I did that right, and you put it between these two bars down here. So I got a little bit too much going on here. It may work the other way. I don't know. I don't think so, though. So you want to feed that right down between those two bars. So the bar that you just installed and the bar that was installed just goes down between them. Then you kind of make that channel open, and there's a little air nozzle there. You slide it over the air nozzle, pull it in there as far as you can. Then, we didn't show you how to plug it in. It's not on the instructions yet, but you just install the cord on the back side. You turn it on, there's an on and off switch back there. And then it'll turn on and it'll give you some numbers. It says to push the feed button. This here is the feed button. And you're going to want to push that till your roll comes out past here. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Then you can make your adjustments. So we're going to leave it on for now. Right now the air blow is at 15, speed is at 3, temperature is at 8. And we'll go with what the suggestions are here. Temperature setting should be 10 to begin with. So your temperature setting is this far button over here. This is up and down and has a little thermometer. Right now we're on temperature of 8, so we're going to go up to, oops, that's the wrong one. We're up to 10. Then, air volume setting. Right now it says to start with 10. We are at 15. So that is the first set of buttons with a little fan next to it, up and down buttons. We're going to go down to 10. All right. And then speed. Speed should be at the lowest setting, which is 1. I think it goes up to 5. Speed is the middle set of buttons. I'm not going to tip it up again. It goes up to 6. Starts at 1. So we'll put it at 1. And then simply hit the green start button, which is right here, and the red stop button, which is right there. So you hit the start button, and it'll go until you hit that stop button. So we're going to hit the start. Takes a couple seconds, and there she goes. So it's filling the air pillows. Then you hit the stop button, wherever you want to stop. Your film should be perforated, and there's your air pillows. Pretty simple procedure. First time using it for real. It fills the air pillows all the way back here where that air nozzle is. And then about the middle of this thing is where it seals them. And that's it. So pretty good little deal there. And these are the 4x6 pillows. They're pretty firm. I like them. And that's what this machine is. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button below. Ring that bell notification so you know when I'm doing more stuff. Thanks for watching. Sweetwater out.